Good day guys, you're welcome to Browsing Text YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you the app you can use to mine Phonium coin for free. If you've been hearing about Phonium coin recently and you're willing to be part of the coin, then in this guide I'm going to show you how you can earn the coin for free without paying any bill. And if you're just coming across the Phonium coin for the first time, I'll show you all you need to know about the coin and how you can get the coin for free. So as I have always tell people, in cryptocurrency, if you missed any opportunity in cryptocurrency, you don't have to stress yourself. Another opportunity will come. So if you've missed one or two coins in the past, then this is another opportunity for you to opt in for PHT. In this video, I'm going to give you the app that you can use to earn PHT coin for free, and I'm going to show you some detailed information about the coin. I'm going to show you how you can withdraw the coin from the app you are using to mine the coin to your Trust wallet. You're welcome. You're welcome back. Phonium coin is one of the coins that have the potential of doing well in the few times to come, and you can also purchase the coin, but in this video I'll be showing you how you can get it for free, so that you can just accumulate it and watch the coin doing its thing. So let's search for PHT here. Once you search for PHT, you will see Phonium coin. So let's click on it. So as at the moment of recording this video, the coin is $0.0007 and it's still increasing. So as you can see, it's increasing, and you know how crypto market be. So let's check the history of the coin, and let's go to Hub. So these are the details of the coin. The website is phonium.io, in case you want to check them out and follow them, so that you can be able to be getting the latest information about the project. The market cap of the coin is $1.7 million, which is very good, and volume for 28 hours is 51,000 naira. So that's the trading volume in 24 hours. So the current circulating supply of the coin is 2 billion, while the total supply is 5 billion. So this coin having trading volume of $51,000 in 24 hours give us the hope that it will do better in few times to come, because it still have the opportunity to get more trading volume within 24 hours. So immediately people are getting to know the coin and the trading volume is increasing, and the price of the coin will increase definitely. So the coin has been in existence since 2020. So let's check it here. The coin has been in existence since 2020. So let's go to how the coin has been in existence since 2020. Can you see? So it starts from 0.0002, and right now it has moved from 0.002 to 0.007. So it gives us the hope that one day it might click $1 or something around that level. So I think these are the few information that you're supposed to know, like basic information about the coin. If you want to know more about the coin, you can check out the coin on CoinMarketCap and others to do your own research about the coin. So let's take a look on how we can get the coin for free, which is the purpose of this video. And so the app we're going to be using this morning is Cloud Earning. The app is Cloud Earning. I will give you the link to download the app in the description section of this video. So once you download the app, you will open the app. I've been using the app before, and I've been using it to mine the coin. So this is the interface of the coin. this is where you will be redirected to. Can you see? So all you have to do is to download the app from Play Store. I will give you the link to download the app, and once you sign up, you register with your email address. Once you register with your email address, you open the app. Once you open the app, you will be redirected here. You are seeing two buttons here, which is Exchange PHT and Claim Earning. So you are seeing this claim earning because I have started my mining process 6 days ago. So if you want to mine your own, you will be coming back to the app to claim your earning every 6 days. So let's see how it goes. I have get my own 6 day completed here, and this is my earning. I have earned 307 PHT so far, and once I click this claim button, it will be added to my PHT balance. If you check my PHT balance here, I am having 2,300 PHT, and let me click on this claim earning. So can you see it will be added immediately? So now when you register and open your own cloud earning app, this is the interface you're going to get. So this is the interface you're going to get. All you have to do is to click on start earning. You see this start earning, click on it. Once you click on it, you will choose regular. Once you choose regular, your mining process will start.
It's free. What? It's true. Now Opay has this lucky draw.
So this is an advert that will pop up immediately. You click on claim. So you wait for it to end. So we are waiting for the session to end so that we can resume back to the app. So you will experience this once in every 6 days. That's when you want to claim your when you want to claim your earnings. So this means I have started another session. Can you see? If you check the below here, you will see 6 days, 23 hours, 59 seconds. That's approximately 7 days. That's the countdown. So if you check back tomorrow, you will be seeing 5 days, 23 hours, and so like that till it gets to 7 days. And on the 7 days, the amount you've earned will be recorded, and you can now click on claim earning to claim your coin. So that's how it works. I will give you the link to download the app in the description section of this video. Once you download the app, you log into the app. Once you open the app, then you click on earnings. Once you click on earning, you click on regular. Once you click on regular, then you start your mining session. Then after 6 days, you will come back here and claim it. So that's how you'll be claiming it every 6 days till you have the enough amounts to withdraw your coin. So that's how to register on the app and how to start mining the PHT coin for free. I will give you the registration link, the download link, and I will give you the my referral code. If you use the referral code, that's what will give you sign up bonus. So if you use the app, if you use the code, you're going to get sign up bonus of around, let's say, around 200 free PHT coin for start. So if you want to withdraw the coin, all you have to do is to click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, then you will enter your PHT wallet address here. So if you want to copy your PHT wallet address, all you have to do is to go to your Trust Wallet. You know, we have added it earlier. Then you go to your PHT section. You go to your PHT coin section of the app. So then you click on receive. Once you click on receive, you click on copy. The wallet address will be copied to your clipboard. Then you come here and paste the wallet address here. You paste it here. Once you paste it here, you enter the amount you want to withdraw. The minimum amount you can withdraw here is 20,000 PHT. And once you have 20,000 PHT, then you can withdraw. Let's say you have 20,000 PHT, you enter 20,000 PHT. If you have 200,000 PHT, you enter 200,000 PHT. And if you have 21,000 PHT, you enter 21,000 PHT. Once you enter the 21,000 PHT, you will smash on this withdraw button. Once you smash on the withdraw button, then you get your withdrawal request on the queue. Then you can now keep eye on your wallet to know whether you have received the coin or not, and you can come to the app to monitor the transaction history of your withdrawal. So there are other ways to earn PHT here. Apart from mining, you can also invite friends and earn PHT coin for free for inviting your friends. So all you have to do is to come to the app dashboard and click on invite. Once you click on invite, then can you see you'll be given the breakdown of how much you earn and how it goes. Then you can now click on this icon to copy your referral code, or click on invite if you want to forward it to your friends on social media. Then you select the social media you want to use. If you want to use WhatsApp, you select WhatsApp. If you want to use Facebook, you select Facebook. Twitter is there. All social media that you have on your phone will be listed, and you can now share the link with your friends and earn whenever they sign up with your code. So that's all, guys. That's all on how to mine PHT coin for free. And there's still enough time for you to opt in now and start claiming every 6 days. So once you have 20,000 PHT on your balance, you can now withdraw directly to your trust wallet. If you have any question or anything is not clear to you about this process, feel free to drop the question in the comment section of this video. I will reply to your comment as soon as possible, and I will provide you with a possible solution. I will give you the possible solution to the question. So once you're done watching the video, check the description section of this video. I will give you the link to download the app, and I will give you the referral code that you will apply when you are about to register on the app. They will request for a referral code, and that's the referral code you will use to register. Thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful day.